Anusha KH and I have done my BE in Nitya Institute of Technology, Bangalore. I am basically from Electrical and Electronics Engineering. After joining to JSpiders, I got placed in a company and I have learnt all the skills which are required for Java full stack development. And all the trainers here are very approachable and they'll clear any doubts we ask them. And interview had two rounds, technical round and HR round. Both the rounds were, I felt very easy to clear them because of all the trainers which are training here. And I would like to thank Faizan sir, Mohsin sir and Vivek sir and also Uday sir, who made my basic skills of Java very strong.